In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove all animations from a page or image. If you want a cleaner design, a more professional look, or you simply need to reset your project and start over, removing animations is a quick and useful step. This is especially helpful when a page feels too busy or when an image has effects you no longer want. The good news is that the process is very simple and only takes a few clicks. To begin, click on the page or image that you want to edit. Make sure you select the correct element before moving on, because the animation controls will apply to whatever is currently selected. If you're working on a full page, click directly on the page area. If you're only removing animation from a specific image, then click on that image instead. Taking a second to confirm your selection can save time and prevent changes to the wrong part of your design. Once the page or image is selected, go to the Animate option. This is where you'll find the motion settings and animation tools connected to the selected item. When you open Animate, you'll be able to review the current animation setup. This section is useful whenever you want to change the style, timing, or direction of movement, but in this case, we're using it to completely clear the animation. From there, click Remove all animations. As soon as you do that, any animation applied to the selected page or image will be removed. This means the item will no longer fade, slide, pop, or use any other motion effect that was previously assigned. It's a fast way to return the element to a static state without having to manually turn off each animation one by one. After removing the animations, it's a good idea to preview your design to make sure everything looks the way you want. If the movement is gone and the page or image appears still, then the change was successful. If needed, you can always go back to the Animate menu later and apply a new effect. And that's it. Just select the page or image, open Animate, and choose Remove All Animations. It's a simple method that helps you clean up your design and keep your presentation looking polished and intentional.